Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to copy a new voice call link on WhatsApp using your PC. With WhatsApp's latest update, creating and sharing voice call links has never been easier. Let's dive into the process. First, open the WhatsApp desktop app on your PC. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the official WhatsApp website and set it up by pairing it with your phone using the QR code. Once the app is open, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see a series of icons. Locate the one that resembles a telephone. It's the phone icon. Click on it to access the Calls section. Next, click on the option labeled New Call Link. This feature allows you to create a link for a voice call that you can share with others. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose the type of call. Select Voice from the drop-down menu. Now that your voice call link is created, you'll see an option to copy it. Simply click on Copy Link, and the link will be saved to your clipboard. You can now paste it wherever you want, whether it's in a chat, an email, or any other platform, to share it with friends, family, or colleagues. And that's it. You've successfully created and copied a voice call link on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature is perfect for scheduling calls or inviting others to join at their convenience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay connected and enjoy seamless communication with WhatsApp's new features.